Welcome to my channel. Today's global tech update takes you into the pulse of the future, where gadgets are evolving beyond imagination, and the line between technology and life is fading fast. Engineers have unveiled an extraordinary new flex-screen hybrid smartphone, a device that bends, folds, and rolls like digital silk. It transforms from a compact phone to a full-size tablet, then stretches into a flexible screen you can wrap around your wrist or even mount on walls. The display uses self-healing nanomaterials that repair micro-scratches in seconds, keeping it eternally smooth and responsive. Powered by an adaptive AI chip that learns your habits, this phone doesn't just assist you, it anticipates you, predicting what you need before you even tap. Meanwhile, innovators have introduced self-charging microbatteries that pull energy directly from the air using humidity and temperature gradients. These power cells can keep small electronics running indefinitely. No plugs, no wires, no waste. Scientists call it atmospheric power harvesting, and it could completely transform how we charge wearables, IoT devices, and even portable drones. Imagine a smartwatch or fitness tracker that never needs recharging because it breathes energy from the environment around you. In the world of augmented reality, a revolution is unfolding with AI-integrated holographic glasses, ultralight frames that merge virtual content with real life so seamlessly you'll forget where one ends and the other begins. They can translate speech in real time, show holographic instructions, display navigation arrows mid-air, and even identify people through facial recognition linked to your personal AI database. Instead of looking down at screens, users now look through them, turning reality itself into a living display. Not far behind is the rise of smart biofabrics, advanced clothing woven with micro-sensors that can read your pulse, hydration, and stress levels, and communicate directly with your devices. These materials can change temperature based on your body's needs, adjust tightness during workouts, and even alert you to early signs of fatigue or illness. The fusion of fashion and function has never been more literal. Your clothes now understand you. And hovering quietly in the sky are autonomous companion drones, palm-sized flying assistants that follow their owners intuitively. These AI-powered aerial devices use computer vision to navigate, record, and project holograms right in front of you. They can serve as photographers, translators, or even mobile holographic displays during video calls. Imagine walking through a busy city with your drone projecting 3D maps in real time, guiding you through the streets. All these innovations, flexible hybrid phones, self-sustaining batteries, holographic AR glasses, intelligent fabrics, and drone assistants, are more than technological marvels. They're the blueprint of a connected civilization that learns, adapts, and grows alongside humanity. The future is no longer about machines that serve us. It's about intelligent creations that live with us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gaming Millionaire for more amazing global science and technology updates that bring the future closer than ever before.